Hey, this is Craig the Pool Man with Pool Specialist, and we are here doing a short video on how to set or orient the actuators on your EasyTouch system. This is really important because, of course, if you set them wrong, then when you go into spa mode, you could potentially drain the spa, damage your pumps, damage some of your equipment. So we're going to show you how to properly set them, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Okay, my recommendation with an EasyTouch system is we are going to change the mode. And so you'll use this mode button. You'll notice there's an auto mode, a service mode, and a timeout mode. And you never really want to use the service mode. You always want to use the timeout mode. That way, if you forget, then in a couple hours, the controller will revert back to auto mode. So we're going to go ahead and press the mode button, and of course now it's in service mode. We press it again and it goes to timeout mode. Alright, so what we have is now we have our system and it's set up in pool mode. So we're going to go ahead and show you what pool mode looks like. In pool mode, you'll notice that the off is over the spa suction side. That allows the water to flow in through the main drain and the skimmers and come into the pool suction side and then go into the pump. In pool mode, the water is going to come from the filter through the salt cell, and then it is going to go into the pool return. You'll notice that the off is over the spa return. Then we're going to press our valve button, and we're going to go into spa mode. And now we're going to show you what the actuators look like in spa mode. In spa mode, you'll notice that the off is over the pool suction side. This allows the water to flow in through the spa suction side and go into the pump. We're going to have the water go through the filter, through the salt system, then into this valve and out the spa return. So notice that the off is over the pool return. Next, we're going to press this again, and that should go to spa fill. And we're going to show you what the actuators look like in spa fill. In spa fill, the off needs to be over the spa suction side, allowing the water to come in from the main drain and the skimmers into the pool suction side and into the pump. We're going to have the water go through the filter, through the salt system, and then come in and go into the spa. So the pipe for the spa return is open and the off is over the pool return. Press it one more time and you go to spa drain. And we're going to show you what the actuators look like in spa drain. In spa drain, the off is going to be over the pool suction, allowing the water to come in the spa suction and go to the pump. The water is coming through the filter, through the salt cell, into this valve, and then going straight out to the pool return. Notice that the off is over the spa return. This allows the spa to drain. Finally, you press it again and you'll be back to pool mode. As you are going through the different sequences of pool mode, spa fill, spa drain, you may need to find that the valve actuator is in the wrong position. And so what we've done is we've removed this valve actuator so that you can actually see how you would change it. Here is a 3-position switch. Right now it is in the center. If it is in the center, it will not respond to changing the different valve positions. It's going to remain in the exact same position that it is currently in. So if you flip that in one direction, then the valve will rotate to one extreme, and then if you flip it to the other direction, it will rotate to the other extreme. And this would allow you to calibrate, set, whatever you want to call it, your different positions. If you happen to have an IntelliValve, that is actually covered on another video. Go ahead and go to poolspecialist.com and then the Learning Hub, and if you go into the automation videos, you'll see that there is one on how to set your IntelliValve, and that would apply to this directly. So again, 3-position switch. You can see it's in what I'll call the up position just from this frame of mind. That would be in the center or the off position, and that would be in the opposite position. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please drop us a like and follow us, and I hope you found it very informational and instructional. Have a great day.